Ganpati Bappa gives us a huge honor, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome you all on behalf of P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. Thank you to each and every one of you for taking out your precious time to being here with us, where yet another great milestone is to be achieved in the next few minutes by P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, before we commemorate our listing ceremony of the equity shares of the company on NSE, this is a brand new beginning. May I kindly request you all for a huge, loud round of applause for P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. This is the moment to be remembered forever. Before we move ahead, may I kindly request you all to rise for our national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata Ki. Thank you very much. Kindly take your seats. May we kindly request you all to join us for our P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited anthem.
सपना एक था आँखों में बसा पर उम्मीदें कई सपने संग फिर आपका जुड़ा एक रिश्ता यूं हंसी सफर किया आप राहें और आप ही से रोशनी बांधी जो डोर है अब छूटेगी नहीं ख्वाहिशें जो थी अब पूरी हो रही है हर लम्हे में खुशियाँ आपसे छा रही है ना 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 ना
एक्सक्यूज मी। हाँ हेलो, हाँ मेरा बर्थडे ही तो है। हाँ अभी थोड़ी देर लगेगी, फेस्टिव सीजन है।
आपसे रोशनी यूं मिली रोज आपसे ही सुबह खिली
You marry me?
आपसे रोशनी यूं मिली रोज आपसे ही सुबह खिली पूरे हो रहे हैं अरमां हमारे जैसे चमक उठे सारे अंधियारे, आप नहीं तो उजाले मिट जाएंगे, आप सा अनमोल कहाँ हम पाएंगे, कहाँ पाएंगे। ख्वाहिशें जो थी अब पूरी हो रही है, हर लम्हे में खुशियाँ आपसे छा रही है। साथ आपका हो तो बढ़ जाती है शान, सोहबत में आपकी मिलता है सम्मान। हासिल करेंगे मिलकर मंजिलें मंजिलें, पार करेंगे हंसकर मुश्किलें मुश्किलें, आप नहीं तो उजाले मिट जाएंगे, आप सा
Happy
अनमोल
Diwali,
कहाँ
बेटा।
हम पाएंगे,
Happy Diwali.
कहाँ पाएंगे। ख्वाहिशें जो थी अब पूरी हो रही है, हर लम्हे में खुशियाँ आपसे छा रही है।
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Simran Ahuja, and I'm truly elated and overwhelmed to be a part of this magnificent ceremony and actually be present here. I'd also like to give it a mention that we're all live today on the Facebook page, Instagram, as well as the YouTube of NSE India. Please share it with all your loved ones today. The world is witnessing this amazing moment. Milestones are a very important way of looking at the past with gratitude, the present with appreciation, and the future with hope. Today, we're all here to celebrate such a brilliant milestone for PN Gadgil Jewellers Limited. PN Gadgil Jewellers is the second largest amongst the prominent organized jewelry players in Maharashtra in terms of the number of stores as on Jan 2024, which is the largest market for BIS registered outlets in India. The company is also the fastest growing jewelry brand amongst the key organized jewelry players in India, based on the revenue growth between the financial year 2021 and the financial year 2024. And as of July 31st, 2K24, PN Gadgil Jewellers have expanded to 39 stores, which includes 38 stores across 21 cities in Maharashtra and Goa, and 1 store in the United States of America, with an aggregate retail area of approximately 108,282 square feet as of March 31st, 2024. The product portfolio comprises of over 10,000 SKUs in gold, over 1,200 SKUs in silver, over 2,700 SKUs in platinum, and over 24,000 SKUs in diamond jewelry designs, including a wide range of gold, diamond, silver, and platinum products across different price points. And as we've already taken a look at the anthem, every occasion, every beautiful celebration, it has to be only one name: PN Gadgil Jewellers, ladies and gentlemen. The PNG brand derives its legacy from the P.N. Gadgil brand, and since 1935, Shri Daji Kaka Gadgil looked into the firm establishment and expansion of this family business. He was known for his relentless efforts and dedication to the ancestral business initiated by his great-grandfather, Shri Ganesh Narayan Gadgil ji. And over the years, generations of the Gadgil family employed their experience and expertise to abide by the global hallmark of traditional designs while bringing a fresh twist to contemporary designs. Leveraging the legacy and the heritage of the PNG brand, the generations of Gadgil family created a strong brand recall and presence in Maharashtra, offering a wide range of precious jewelry products that are specifically designed for special occasions, weddings, engagements, anniversaries, festivals, and everyday jewelry. Our promoter, our visionary, Saurabh Vidyadhar Gadgil, ladies and gentlemen, is the sixth generation entrepreneur with over 25 years of experience in the jewelry manufacturing industry in India. He has been instrumental in transforming the traditional family business into a contemporary brand. His leadership has helped in transforming the business operations as well as increasing the growth of these operations. We are truly hopeful that getting listed will significantly help the company further scale their business and unlock the next phase of their growth journey. At this very amazing occasion of the listing ceremony of the P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, we would now like to extend a warm welcome to our distinguished dignitaries who've joined us here today. I'm going to kindly request you, when I take your name, to please stand and wave at everyone present here when your name is announced. Ladies and gentlemen, towards the beginning, may I kindly request you all for a loud round of applause for respected Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO, National Stock Exchange. Dr. Saurabh Vidyadhar Gadgil, Managing Director, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. Mr. Kiran Prakash Firodia, Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. This morning, we also have with us here today our bankers who've played a significant role in the success of our IPO. Mr. Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited. Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head, Coverage Investment Banking, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited. Mr. Sanjeev Saraf, Joint Managing Director, Bob Capital Markets Limited. We'd also like to welcome our very special guests this morning. Mr. Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, World Gold Council. His Majesty, Mr. Hajinder Kang, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India. Your Majesty, it's a huge honor to have your gracious presence. Ladies and gentlemen, our favorite superstar, Swapnil Joshi, Regional Brand Ambassador, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited. May I kindly request all my distinguished dignitaries to kindly join us for the auspicious lighting of the lamp ceremony. Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji, MD and CEO NSE, Mr. Saurabh Gadgil ji, Managing Director P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, Mr. Kiran Prakash Firodia, Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, Ms. Radhika Gadgil, Mr. Yash Gadgil, Ms. Vaishali Gadgil, Mr. Parag Gadgil, Ms. Anjali Gadgil, Mr. Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, World Gold Council, Your Majesty, Mr. Hajinder Kang sir, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India, Swapnil Joshi, Regional Brand Ambassador, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, Mr. Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, Mr. Rajiv Verma, and Mr. Sanjeev Saraf. All our distinguished dignitaries, to kindly light our ceremonial lamp and brighten up this space further.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
This beautiful divine feeling, Ganpati Bappa! Thank you very much for brightening up this room further and brightening our hearts. We're all spiritual souls going through this beautiful human experience. And what a lovely moment. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request you all to put your hands together for this brightening up of the space around us. I request all our distinguished dignitaries to kindly take their seats, and to initiate the proceedings, request Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head Coverage Investment Banking, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to kindly address everyone this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly put our hands together as we like to welcome Mr. Rajiv Verma for the inaugural address, please, to kindly join us here. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, sir.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of PN Gadgil Jewelers Limited and the lead managers, I once again welcome you all to this momentous occasion of the listing ceremony of PNG, one of the largest and fastest growing organized retail jewelers in Maharashtra. It is indeed a privilege and an honor for us to have been associated with this IPO, and I would like to once again extend a strong thank you to the entire PNG team led by Saurabh Gadgil for this opportunity. PNG has clearly, under the leadership of Saurabh, continued to see huge growth, and clearly, given the strong track record and the strong positive outlook, we believe there are many more milestones and achievements ahead for PNG. Clearly, its strategy of having a multi-channel distribution strategy, also having clearly a creative strategy in terms of using an expansion strategy, looking at close geographies and then going beyond, I think it's clearly worked wonders. Once again, kudos to the entire PNG management. Clearly, in our view, the IPO has been a big success. It is the largest jewelry IPO subscription in the past decade. And it garnered a total of 48,000 crores. And we had participation from all marquee global and domestic investors, including mutual funds and insurance companies. Once again, a big thank you to all the investors for supporting us. And as we are adding, PNG is rather adding 2 lakh new shareholders to its investor base. So once again, congratulations to all of you. Okay. And last but not the least, I obviously would like to thank the regulator, SEBI, the exchanges, and all the intermediaries, the legal counsel, the ad agency, the registrar, and the printers. Thank you to each of you. Once again, thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you very much, dear sir. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we like to now request our 6th generation entrepreneur, the trailblazer, the visionary Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, Managing Director, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, to kindly share a few words at this very special occasion where this milestone is being achieved. Everybody, the loudest roar of applause. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I'm saying it's like a new baby born today. And why I'm saying this is on December 18th, 2023 was the day we signed the merchant bankers. So the merchant bankers, we had an intense discussion that day, whole day we were finalizing it. And from December 2018 to September 17th, exactly 9 months, this has happened. So for us, it's a birth of a new child. I'd like to welcome Ashish Chauhanji, Trade Commissioner, British Trade Commissioner and Consul General Harjinder Skangji, my friend Sachin, CEO World Gold Council, Richa, Head Natural Diamond Council, all the bankers, all my friends who have been a support in this entire journey. And I think the most important part of the journey has been Team PNG. This is not possible without the entire team which worked day in, day out for this. So a big round of applause for all of them. And in this, my friend, my brother, I would say Swapnil, who's been with us, for I don't even know how many number of years, store launches, our events, and we work hard and party hard. Swapnil, thank you. So it's been a great journey. Like the bankers mentioned right now, the last 4 years have been phenomenal in terms of expansion, in terms of the way we have geographically grown in Maharashtra, per store, our strategies, our collections. And I think, like they say, IPO is the culmination of all good things coming together. And at the same time, it's a big responsibility to carry it forward. And as a team, as a company, as PNG, we are aware of this. We want to further leverage this platform to further strengthen our brand, grow more in the state, in the country, and add value to all our stakeholders. We always believe that our customers, our karigars, our employees, and now our investors, this is going to be the 4 pillars of the company, and we really stand committed to deliver more, achieve more. And the love which all of you have given for the n number of years, I think has been what has really made us come this far. PNG is almost 20 decades now in the jewelry business. It's one of the oldest, I would say, in the world or in India. And this has only been possible because of the love, the support, and I think the bond which we share with all of you. We proudly say we are maybe the only organized family jeweler, having customers for decades and being organized. Today is a very important day also because this is during the Ganesh festival. We all, really are followers of Lord Ganesha, and nothing better than doing it today on a day of Anant Chaturdashi. I mean, what more can we ask for? We were also blessed that one of the IPO days fell on my grandfather Daji Aka's birth anniversary. So it was all good things coming together, all fortunes, aligning together. And I'd say it's a very, very, auspicious and good luck to all things coming together. I'm right now overwhelmed with emotions, so I'm not going to speak too much. The thing is that as they said, let the numbers speak and let the company perform well, and that is what we want to really achieve. This is something which is a feeling of gratefulness, gratitude. It's a feeling also which comes with a lot of responsibility, because now this is your company, it's not only our company. And I think as a team we stand committed. I am blessed to have friends from all over here. My my close friends from college days, school days, my trade friends, and I believe that the whole strength has been this bond which we share with people. And once again, thanks to the entire team for putting up this great show. They worked till morning 5 a.m. to get this entire decor done. Ashish ji, thank you for being here. I know it's a busy time, and today you have a board meeting, but in spite of that, you are here. Thank you. My mom is here today. My wife Radhika is here. My younger son Yash is here. My brother Parag is here. And Anjali Vaini is here. And it feels nice when you are with the whole family. Everyone is here. And this is something which is beyond words. I'll not take much time now. There are a lot of people to speak ahead. But all I say is that we are grateful. We are filled with gratitude, and we stand committed to deliver more, to excel more, and to keep on, spreading happiness, because we believe at the core of our philosophy is passing on happiness. And I believe that our employees, organization, people around us have to be happy. So let's have a happy world together. Once again, thank you all of you. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Thank you very much for the golden words with diamonds, and that is what exactly Dr. Saurabh Gadgil does. His words, that is why from the heart, touch our souls. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very special message for us. May we please kindly take a look at this very special message by our very own brand ambassador, Miss Madhuri Dixit. Thank you.
PNG Jewellers has been India's heritage brand for close to 2 centuries now. It's been a sheer pleasure for me to be associated with it for close to a decade. Having been a part of so many auspicious moments, PNG Jewellers is now getting listed today. From being a brand that has in-depth understanding of the business, PNG Jewellers also understands the emotion jewelry has in India. Due to my prior commitment, I am unable to attend this milestone event. Please consider me with you here, starting this new journey of sharing prosperity. I wish them all the luck and good wishes. All the best.
Thank you very much for that very warm message. Ladies and gentlemen, we do have our dignitaries who shall address us in a while from now. May I kindly request you all to please put your hands together for Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhanji, Managing Director and CEO, NSE India, to kindly share a few words with this beautiful gathering. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir.
Shri Saurabh Gadgil, Managing Director, PN Gadgil Jewellers. Shri Harjinder Kang, Trade Commissioner, South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India. Shri Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, World Gold Council. Shri Swapnil Joshi, Regional Brand Ambassador, PN Gadgil Jewellers. Shri Rajiv Verma, MD and Head, Nuama. Shri Sanjeev Shroff, Joint MD, Bob Capital Markets. Shri Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal. Distinguished guests, board members, employees, family members, ladies and gentlemen, good morning and a warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of PN Gadgil Jewellers. NSE is proud to welcome PN Gadgil Jewellers in our family of listed corporates. And this will be the 2,583rd company to list with us. During the current financial year so far, NSE has witnessed 129 IPOs across main board and SME segments together, with PN Gadgil Jewellers being the 35th main board list company for the exchange. India is the 4th largest capital market in the world in terms of market capitalization after US, China and Japan. NSE listed companies have a market capitalization of 5.6 trillion US dollars, that is 467 lakh crores. And from today onwards, PN Gadgil Jewellers will be an integral part of NSE. NSE's market capitalization has grown over 116 times in rupee terms since it started its operations in 1994. NSE today has over 10 crore unique investors with 19 crore accounts covering more than 20% of all households directly investing in stock markets today. NSE registered investors cover 99.85% of all PIN codes in the country, and only 30 PIN codes do not have a registered investors. Many of these PIN codes are actually airports where nobody stays full day. The IPO of PN Gadgil Jewellers with an issue size of 1100 crore rupees garnered an overwhelming response and was oversubscribed 59 times. I congratulate the entire team of PN Gadgil Jewellers, the merchant bankers Motilal Oswal, Nuvama Wealth, Bob Capital, legal advisors Trilegal, PR agency Adfactors, and all other parties associated in this IPO for their accomplishments. We at NSE are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities and make capital markets more accessible for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories. We hope that today's successful listing of PN Gadgil Jewellers will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as a promising alternative. We hope that this listing day is the start of a strong partnership between us, and NSE looks forward to supporting PN Gadgil Jewellers in their future fundraising endeavors as well. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra. Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Thank you very much, dear sir. This is a very, very special moment, ladies and gentlemen, as we shall request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji, Managing Director and CEO NSE, to kindly present the very precious listing memento to Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, Managing Director, PN Gadgil Jewellers Limited, ladies and gentlemen. A very special moment indeed. Ladies and gentlemen, can we all put our hands together? The world is witnessing this moment. This is truly amazing. Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, we have a coffee table book to be presented to you by Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji, please, from NSE. You can kindly be here with us, and we like to invite Mr. Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, to kindly accept this bell. Mr. Subrat Panda, please. Thank you. Thank you. May we kindly request Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head, Coverage Investment Banking, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to kindly join us here on stage and accept this memento, please. Mr. Rajiv Verma, please. Thank you. Thank you, sir. We kindly request Mr. Sanjeev Saraf, Joint Managing Director, Bob Capital Markets Limited, to kindly join us here on stage and accept the memento, please. Thank you, sir. May I kindly request our representative, our legal advisor, Trilegal, to kindly join us here on stage. Our legal advisors, Trilegal, our representative, thank you. And our representative from Adfactor to please accept this memento. Thank you. We shall now request may I kindly request Adfactor to kindly join us here on stage and accept this memento. Thank you, Adfactor. May we kindly request Mr. Sachin Jain to join us here and receive this coffee table group, this beautiful book from NSE for Mr. Sachin Jain. Our Regional CEO, World Gold Council. A humble request to Your Majesty, Harjinder Kang sir, to please join us here. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly put our hands together for His Majesty, Harjinder Kang sir, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India, to receive this coffee table book from NSE. And our Regional Brand Ambassador, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, Mr. Swapnil Joshi, please, to receive this coffee table book. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special moment as I'm going to please request Dr. Saurabh Gadgil to kindly present a memento to NSE, to Shri Ashish ji, please. Kindly join us here, sir. A very beautiful moment as we shall kindly request Dr. Saurabh Vidyadhar Gadgil and also Mr. Kiran Prakash Ferodia to kindly join us here on stage to present the first memento from P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited for Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan ji, Managing Director and CEO, NSE. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, we also have tons of mementos from P.N. Gadgil Jewellers to all of you, but that we'll do it later. For now, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to request my distinguished dignitaries to have the speech in short and request Mr. Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, World Gold Council, to kindly address everyone. Thank you very much.
Distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, it is an honor for me to address this August gathering and such a momentous occasion of the listing of P.N. Gadgil's IPO. We heard so much since the morning, and I think that it's really, we all here together not to just only celebrate this moment, but the reflection of this entire journey of P.N. Gadgil. The journey that's built on master craftsmanship, on trust, on bringing value to the consumers, really bringing your heart out there and being a part of the lives of so many people. I mean, I can only reflect back, Saurabh, that when you took over the reins of P.N. Gadgil from Daji Kaka, you had perhaps a big dream, but you had a big responsibility. And I think everybody in this room will agree to me that today, when Daji Kaka looks from right above, he'll feel proud and he'll be showering his blessings to you. So let's give him a big round of applause. You know, also today is reflection again, I'll repeat, on what P.N. Gadgil really does when we talk about the product of P.N. Gadgil. Every product is a combination of great culture, tradition, but modernization as well. But they stand behind every product. You know, the most important element in our business is the trust. And P.N. Gadgil over the years has almost immortalized or symbolized itself for this trust. So for me, ladies and gentlemen, today is not just a very regular day. It's a very important day where P.N. Gadgil is inviting all the investors to be a part of not just their success, but a part of their future. And that's important because what they're building in the future is something that very few organizations, particularly in our industry, have been able to get to. And they're really getting on that journey because transparency of operation is a new thing in our business. And I can only know that coming out of today's, how many people you would have inspired, Saurabh, that will come back and almost uplift our industry. So ladies and gentlemen, from our point of view, today is a very important moment that is marking professionalism, transparency, great team spirit, a vision that all of you are betting on, a vision that we all believe that P.N. Gadgil will make into the future. So with that, very short words, heartiest congratulations to Saurabh, the entire family, and the entire P.N. Gadgil team, because what you've created is just the start of something magnificent that's about to come. So heartiest congratulations, and wish you all the best.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sachin Jain. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall request Your Majesty, Mr. Harjinder Kang and Swapnil Joshi to address everyone later, since we are running short of time. But now, this is the most awaited moment, ladies and gentlemen. We were waiting for this milestone moment when P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited will see itself listed at our National Stock Exchange of India. May I kindly request Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhanji, MD and CEO NSE, Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, Mr. Kiran Firodia, Ms. Radhika Gadgil, Mr. Yash Gadgil, Ms. Vaishali Gadgil, Mr. Parag Gadgil, Ms. Anjali Gadgil, Mr. Suresh Krishnan, Ms. Priyanka Vanjari, Mr. Hemant Chavan, Mr. Nilesh Kolapkar, Mr. Amit Vaidya, Mr. Bhushan Dandavate, Mr. Nahush Gadre, Mr. Sachin Jain, our Regional CEO, World Gold Council, Your Majesty, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India, Mr. Harjinder Kang, Mr. Swapnil Joshi, Mr. Subrat Panda, Mr. Rajiv Verma, and Mr. Sanjeev Saraf to kindly join us here. I'm going to request our distinguished dignitaries to kindly have a beautiful, nice semicircle, please, with Saurabh being right there, with Sir Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan. So friends, we are truly awaiting this very precious moment. We shall have the countdown of 10 where I'm going to ask you all to cheer with us. And for now, I'm going to kindly request my distinguished dignitaries if you can really have a nice photo op. We do have 30 seconds, 40 seconds to have a beautiful photo op. So feel free to have the right setup. What an amazing moment, ladies and gentlemen. Actually, this is a breathtaking moment. I'm going to kindly request you all to be seated. I know I can see the excitement and the enthusiasm that all of you have here. And here we have 28 seconds. So please join us for the countdown. Are we ready, everybody, ladies and gentlemen? Wow. The last 20 seconds. You do have the clock there. So please join us for the countdown of 10. 10, 9, congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited is now listed at the National Stock Exchange. Ganpati Bappa! What a beautiful moment. Yes, we'll wait for this very special group photo op. I'd like to definitely give it a mention. Dr. Saurabh Gadgil did mention that the entire team was here till 5 a.m. for the decor. Sir, I've been more than 100 times here at NSE, but I've never seen a decor, a feel, and aura like this. So heartfelt congratulations to P.N. Gadgil Jewellers. I was completely mesmerized when I entered, and I couldn't help myself but have lots of photo ops and videos. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now have our two distinguished dignitaries who shall address us. And then we shall present the mementos on behalf of P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited to our special invites, followed by the vote of thanks, and then we shall be open to having photo opportunities, and we shall be open to refreshments. But for now, may we please once again put our hands together for Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhanji, Managing Director and CEO NSE, for joining us here and making it very special. And we also have a very special present for you, Dr. Saurabh Gadgil. So this is a surprise. later. We'll also share with you a very special present, Dr. Saurabh Gadgil. So once we're done with the photo op, may I kindly request my distinguished dignitaries to please take their seats so that we could continue with our proceedings. We'll take another 1 minute. This has been truly special. Yes, sir. Thank you very much to our distinguished dignitaries. I request you all to take your seats. Please, thank you. A gentle reminder to all of you, we're all live on the Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube page of NSE India. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall now kindly invite His Majesty, Mr. Harjinder Kang, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India, to kindly share a few words at this momentous occasion. Thank you very much, Your Majesty.
You're going to get me thrown in jail if you call me Your Majesty again.
Thank you very much. Thank you, sir. That's so kind. Thank you.
Good morning, everybody. And it's an absolute honor and privilege to be here. And first of all, huge congratulations, sir, to the whole, firm that's gone from strength to strength over the years. This is a momentous occasion for you, and a big, big moment, and my heartfelt congratulations to everybody that made it happen. And we saw the pricing, so it's an obvious success, so congratulations. I think everybody should be extremely happy with the outcome. But basically, it's lovely to see you on your first official day on the stock exchange. And it's a significant milestone because it reflects your traditions in, the crafts that you actually now are offering the market around the whole of India now, not just around here. Basically, your story I've actually just tracked in terms of the 100+ years of history is culminating now on being the public stage. And it's a wonderful story to mark like this. And thank you for inviting me. I was delighted to be here. But basically, my message to you is that don't stop at Maharashtra and India. There's a whole world out there. And one of the places that I would encourage strongly is the United Kingdom that you look at as your next stepping stone. You'd expect me to say that, but I actually mean it. There's a huge opportunity with something like 2 million Indian diaspora there who actually still admire Indian jewelry, still buy this stuff. And so, I would seriously consider it. One of the other messages I'd like to give you is that I was surprised, but one of the top 10 exports from the UK to India is gold. And the other top 10 export to India from the UK is silver. So we already have a huge trading relationship in gold, silver, and it's probably bulk this way and jewelry that way. So it's no different to you guys carrying on now and going the next step. So I'd like to say again a huge thank you to inviting me, a massive congratulations, and I wish you much, much success going forward. So with that, I'll just say thank you very much, and thanks for your attention.
Thank you, Roy. Humble thanks to you, Your Majesty. Ladies and gentlemen, may we kindly request Mr. Swapnil Joshi, our regional brand ambassador, PN Gadgil Jewellers Limited, कुछ शब्द फरमाए और हम सबका दिल जीते हमेशा की तरह.
Thank you, Simran. Good morning, everyone. Respected dignitaries, everybody present here, I think everybody is a dignitary here. What a morning. Let's have a huge round of applause for my brother Saurabh Gadgil. It's a momentous day for all of us, and I'm sure everyone sitting here is thinking the same thing, and I'm speaking for everyone sitting here. PNG is the gold mark, not just in jewelry, it's the gold mark in trust, dignity, value, and how a family-run corporate business should look like. And my brother from another mother, Saurabh Gadgil, is leading it from the front. बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है जब आप ऑलरेडी एक लेगेसी लेके बिजनेस में उतरते हो. उस लेगेसी को आगे बढ़ाना बहुत मुश्किल है. It is very easy to sit on that legacy and just bear the fruits of that legacy. It is very, very difficult to take that legacy forward in the right spirit, take it forward with the right team building, and take it forward like you've started it on day one. And Saurabh has done exactly that in the last many years that I've known him as a person and as an entrepreneur. As a brother, I can vouch that he's a man who'll stand with you any point in the day and night. He's a man who'll never leave your back. He's a man who'll put him in the line of fire to save you. And if I know him and what I know him as a man, then I guarantee each one of you sitting here that the investor money is in absolutely safe hands. I just want to wish Saurabh and the entire team at PNG a huge bullish run at the stock market. कारण आमचा PE रेशो हा लोकांच्या चेहऱ्यावर येणाऱ्या स्माइल्स आहेत. आमची रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट हे PNGच्या दुकानातले घेतलेले दागिने आहेत जे लोक पिढ्यानपिढ्या पुढे पास ऑन करतात. मला कोणतरी विचारलं की PNGची रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट काय, तर मी असं म्हणेन की आजीचा दागिने नाद घालते ही PNGची रिटर्न ऑन इन्व्हेस्टमेंट आहे. आणि PNG ज्वेलर्स, मला मनापासून असं वाटतं की भारतात असा एकही मराठी माणूस नाही, किंबहुना येणाऱ्या वर्षात मी असं म्हणेन सौरभ आपल्याला हे स्वप्न पूर्ण करायचं आहे की जगाच्या पाठीवर असा एकही मराठी माणूस नाही पाहिजे ज्यांनी PNG ज्वेलर्समधनं दागिना विकत नाही घेतला आहे. आणि मला खात्री आहे की तुझ्या कर्तृत्वाने आणि तुझ्या कारकिर्दीत आपण हे स्वप्न पूर्ण करणार आहोत. तुला लाख लाख शुभेच्छा आणि आभाळभर प्रेम. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, गणपती बाप्पा. आणि शेवटचं जायच्या आधी 800+ लिस्ट झालाय. ऑलरेडी लोकांचे पैसे दुप्पट झालेत पहिल्या 5 मिनिटात. पण मी इतकंच सांगतो, पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. थँक्यू.
Thank you very much, sir. आम्ही खरंच फार फार आभारी आहोत, sir. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a very, very special moment. I think I've said this sentence several times, but this indeed is very special. Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, you shall now receive a surprise, which is the exact 10 a.m. picture captured. But what is more essential, which I like to mention, is that for the first time ever in the history of NSE, we are also presenting the Memento with the iconic bull outside. So this is a feature starting today. So I'm going to kindly request Dr. Harish Ahujaji, Head Sustainability and Issuer Relationship, to kindly join us here on stage, and request our very own Dr. Saurabh Gadgil to kindly accept this very special surprise, the moment captured at sharp 10 a.m., which is a remembrance forever, along with the moment captured outside with the iconic bull for the very first time at the National Stock Exchange of India, ladies and gentlemen. Dr. Saurabh Vidyadhar Gadgil, Managing Director, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, to kindly receive this very precious memento. Wow. It's a wow moment, yes. Feel free to express. And this special one, as I mentioned, for the very first time, with the iconic bell outside. Thank you, NSE. Thank you for this precious token of love. Thank you, Dr. Harish Ahujaji. Ladies and gentlemen, may I kindly request Mr. Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, our merchant bankers, to kindly address everyone. We are truly thankful to you for guiding us in the perfect way possible. Mr. Subrat Panda for us, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, sir.
It's genuinely a very good morning to all of us. As Saurav indicated, it has been a long journey with Saurav, Kiran, and very well said, Saurav. What you see is not the effort of the people who are leading it, but a lot of other people who are working in the backdrop, working in the background. We don't see their names and faces, but they contribute significantly to this milestone. Many of my colleagues have already indicated the statistics about how this has been a fantastic IPO. You have yourself experienced the kind of listing that has happened. One thing I wanted to speak, which has nothing to do with the business that I am in, but more of a business that Saurav is in. Jewelry is an experience. And I think NSE today has also seen the quality that Saurav and his team bring to everything that they do. I think this is fantastic. And this sense of belongingness that they have towards the entire society, to their clients, etc., reflects very well not only in how they conduct themselves in their offices, in their stores, but how they think about their clients every time in their heads, right? And this is just an outcome of that. Many people have already indicated this to you, Saurav, but I will, at the cost of repetition, say that this is just the beginning. And the responsibility is higher, not only on you, the entire family and the entire PNG team. We are happy to have been associated with such a great name. And on behalf of all the bankers, all my lawyer friends, the registrar friends, and everyone at Factors, we thank each and every one of you for having come here and experienced this listing ceremony, which is something that will be extremely historical. One more day in your September calendar to celebrate. Thank you, everyone. Thank you once more.
Life is full of celebrations, and P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited knows it very well how to make the most out of this moment. May we kindly request Mr. Sanjeev Saraf, Joint Managing Director, Bob Capital Markets Limited, to kindly address everyone. Thank you very much, Mr. Sanjeev Saraf ji. Shukriya.
On behalf of the Board of Directors of the company, the entire IPO team, led by Saurav and Kiran, मैं हिंदी में बात करता हूँ। चलिए, जब 38 लाख निवेशक इस देश के आपकी कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करना चाहते हैं और मात्र 2-2.5 लाख लोग ही शेयर होल्डर बन पाते हैं और करीब 50,000 करोड़ रुपया भी देने को तैयार हैं, जो कि चाहिए नहीं कंपनी को, तो बहुत कुछ पता चलता है कि कंपनी में विश्वास है। देखिए, जब स्टॉक मार्केट में हम जैसे बैंकर, मैं बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा कैपिटल मार्केट्स को रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं और इस कंपनी के साथ जुड़े रहने का हमारा बहुत बड़ा अच्छा सौभाग्य है। लेकिन चूंकि हमने बहुत सारे आईपीओस किए हैं और आज एनएसई में जब हम खड़े हैं जहां पे स्टॉक मार्केट ग्रो करता है, दिखाई देता है, मैं यही कहूँगा सारे निवेशकों को कि ये जो अभी स्वप्निल ने कहा कि पी बढ़े, मार्केट बढ़े, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंस है स्वप्निल। कंपनी बढ़े, कंपनी के एम्प्लॉयज़ बढ़े, कंपनी के कस्टमर्स बढ़े, यही हम चाहते हैं। और मैं एक बार चाहता हूं कि पूरी की पूरी कंपनी जो पीएन गाडगिल के लिए, उसके लिए एक बार ताली हो जाए। क्योंकि जैसे सौरभ ने कहा कि ये कस्टमर्स, उनके कारीगर, उनके एम्प्लॉयज़ ही इस कंपनी को बनाते हैं। बट द गाइडेंस इज ऑफ कोर्स डॉक्टर सौरभ गाडगिल, and I wish him and the entire family the very best. Wealth creation is a part of the journey, but it also begins with the hard work that the company does. And once the company delivers its results quarter on quarter, unfortunately, sort of now it's quarter to quarter. It's no more, it's an annual to annual. It's a quarter on quarter, you deliver the numbers, people judge you, analysts judge you, investors repose trust in you, and the journey continues for a wealth creation. Thank you very much. All the best.
Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to kindly request Dr. Saurabh Gadgil and Mr. Kiran Firodia to kindly join us here to present our mementos by, yes please, by P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited to our distinguished dignitaries who've joined us here today and our very special partners. May we kindly welcome Mr. Subrat Panda, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, to kindly accept this special memento from us here at P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, please. May I kindly request Mr. Rajiv Verma ji, yes sir, you can take your time. Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head, Coverage Investment Banking, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited, to kindly accept the memento. A humble request to Mr. Subrat Panda. We also have a lovely team from our merchant bankers joining us. May I kindly first request Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, Mr. Subrat Panda and the team to kindly be here with us only. Oh, sure. Rajiv ji, shukriya. Mr. Rajiv Verma, Managing Director and Head, Coverage Investment Banking, Nuvama Wealth Management Limited. Thank you so much. A humble request. Yes, Mr. Subrat Panda, please, Executive Director, Motilal Oswal Investment Advisors Limited, to kindly accept this memento, please. And we have the entire team who's here with us. Thank you to all our merchant bankers. Thank you so much. May I kindly request Mr. Sanjeev Saraf, Joint Managing Director, Bob Capital Markets Limited, to kindly join us and accept this memento. Everyone is very excited and they're calling their family and their team, and we love the spirit. This is a very special feeling. Thank you, Mr. Sanjeev Saraf, Joint Managing Director, Bob Capital Markets Limited. We have the entire team of Tri-Legal. May we kindly request the entire team of Tri-Legal to kindly join us here. Right after Mr. Sanjeev Saraf and the entire beautiful team, we'll welcome the entire team of Tri-Legal. Thank you. Thank you to our legal advisors. Thank you, Tri-Legal. Please accept this token of love from P.N. Gadgil Jewelers. Let's welcome the entire team of Big Share Services Private Limited. Thank you very much once again. Big Share Services Private Limited, please. Thank you. So that side, that side. Shukriya. Let's welcome the entire team of GDA and Associates, Chartered Accountants. The entire team of GDA and Associates, all our Chartered Accountants, please. I can't see them also. Thank you. With us on stage is the Big Share Services Private Limited, the beautiful team. Let's welcome our Chartered Accountants, GDA and Associates. Please join us. Our representative. May we kindly request our entire team of SNR Law. SNR Law, please. Thank you. And I'm going to kindly request the entire team of Ad Factors and Western Printers to be close to the stage, to be ready and close to stage. For now, the entire team of SNR Law. Requesting Ad Factors and Western Printers team to be close to stage, please. Please come. Entire team of SNR Law, please. May I kindly request our entire team of Ad Factors, the rocking team of Ad Factors, to kindly join us here on stage and accept this memento from P.N. Gadgil Jewelers. Requesting the Western Printers team to be close to stage, please. Thank you. Let's welcome the entire team of Western Printers. Entire team of Western Printers. May we kindly invite Mr. Sachin Jain, Regional CEO, World Gold Council, for joining us here today and at the same time addressing everyone. Thank you very much, Mr. Sachin Jain, ladies and gentlemen. A very special memento, a token of love from P.N. Gadgil Jewellers. May we kindly request Your Majesty, Trade Commissioner for South Asia and British Deputy High Commissioner for Western India, Mr. Harjinder Kang, sir, to kindly receive this memento as well. Thank you, sir. And yay. May we kindly invite Swapnil Joshi to please accept this token of love. Swapnil is always on his toes, always raring to go. We love that spirit of yours. That's why he always glows and shines. Thank you, Swapnil Joshi, for giving us your valuable time this morning, that too early in the morning, and for being here on time. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. And I'm going to kindly request Mr. Kiran Prakash Firodia, sir, our Executive Director and Chief Financial Officer, P.N. Gadgil Jewellers Limited, to kindly propose the vote of thanks and thank everyone. Thank you, Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, sir. Thank you so much.
Good morning, esteemed guests, leadership team of PNG, colleagues, member of NSC, friends and family. Today marks a momentous occasion for the entire PNG family. This dream has been long in the making and we have worked tirelessly over past 3 to 4 years to make it reality. The IPO process officially commenced 1 year ago, that is in September 2023. And as Saurabh mentioned, we have started our kickoff on 18 December, exactly 9 months ago. We are thrilled to have successfully completed within a period of 9 months time frame. This achievement is particularly significant as we are the first company from P.N. Gadgil family which began its jewelry business in 1832 in Sangli, Maharashtra, to be listed on both stock exchanges. Now I would like to express my gratitude first and foremost to Dr. Saurabh Gadgil, Chairman and Managing Director, whose exceptional leadership has been instrumental in the smooth completion of this process. His invaluable expertise and guidance have been the constant source of support throughout his phase. His unwavering passion for getting the company listed and continuing the legacy of his late grandfather, Sri Daji Kaka Gadgil, has been truly inspiring. His support for the entire senior management team has been driving force behind our success. Furthermore, I would like to express my gratitude to entire senior leadership, head of the departments, and colleagues, and all independent directors who actively supported and participated in the IPO process. As we observe the overwhelming response from all the investors during the IPO subscription, it is evident that the success is the result of exceptional teamwork by all three bankings, BRLM, that is Moti, Novama, and Bob Capital. They consistently work with us even during the late hours, demonstrated utmost professionalism throughout the entire process. Their user-friendly approach provided valuable learning and opportunities for us. Additionally, I would like to thank both legal counsel, Tri-Legal, as well as S&R for their assistance in preparing the necessary documents for investors. I would like to extend my appreciation to all advocates, consultants, regulators who has provided timely support whenever required. Moving forward, this marks the commencement of new era of PNG in the listed world. We want to assure you that we will dedicate our utmost effort in the years to come. Lastly, I would like to thank the entire NSC and the team for making this possible. Thank you for your continued support. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for proposing the vote of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you to each and every one of you. We are truly grateful to our host, NSE, our members of the board, family and friends, well-wishers, and our new shareholders. And, of course, all you viewers who took time to celebrate this very amazing, momentous occasion with us. Thank you very much once again. Feel free to have your photo ops here on stage, at the backdrop outside, And ladies and gentlemen, do join us for refreshments. As we always say, Atiti Devo Bhava. In our country,